In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get AutoSum in Google Sheets. If you're a frequent user of Excel, you probably know just how convenient the AutoSum function is. It quickly adds up numbers without the hassle of entering formulas manually. But what about when you're using Google Sheets? You'll soon discover that Google Sheets doesn't have an AutoSum button right out of the box. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to add that functionality with a simple workaround involving an add-on that will make your life much easier. First things first, to equip Google Sheets with the AutoSum feature, we're going to need an add-on called Power Tools. This add-on is a powerful extension that will enable us to use the AutoSum function seamlessly. Let's dive into how to get it. Begin by opening your Google Sheet where you'd like to use the AutoSum function. At the top of your screen, look for the menu bar. You'll want to click on Extensions. This opens up a drop-down menu with several options. From here, hover over Add-ons and click on Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, a place where you can find various add-ons to expand the capabilities of your Google Sheets. In the search bar at the top, type in Power Tools and hit Enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for Power Tools in the options and proceed to click on Install. Once the add-on is installed, a panel for Power Tools should automatically appear on the right side of your screen. If it doesn't appear right away, don't worry, it's easy to find. Just go back to the Extensions menu, and underneath it you should now see Power Tools listed there. Hover over it and select Start. This will bring up the Power Tools panel if it hasn't already popped up. Now that we have the Power Tools panel open, you'll see a range of features that it offers. What we're interested in is under the Formulas section. Click on Formulas and voila! You'll see the AutoSum function ready for you to use in Google Sheets just like you would in Excel. At this point, you can start using AutoSum to quickly calculate the sum of your selected range of cells, eliminating the need to manually input complex formulas. With Power Tools now part of your Google Sheets toolkit, working with spreadsheets will be far more efficient. And there you have it. You've now got the AutoSum feature at your fingertips in Google Sheets, making your data management tasks that much easier. Thank you for watching, and happy summing.